Hey guys, what's up? So today we're the top best rate trees, 5, 11, 12, and 13, and 14. The first tree is called Respring Helper, compatible with iOS 8 to 14. Convenient tool which helps you respring Springboard on your Jailbreak iPhone. Also reloads app icons on your home screen. When a tweak app is missed on your home screen, test iOS 8 up to 13.5 for that. I've also have other helpful features like it shows your Wi-Fi name, IP address, new DID, device name, system language, etc. It lists all the apps in your iPhone and the details of each app like bundle ID, bundle path, data path, etc. So pretty cool. This is called Activator Listeners for App Library and iOS 14 and above. This week adds a font activate listeners. So system actions, activate app library, dismiss app library. So yeah, pretty cool. This is called Activator Haptic Feedback Listener. And basically trigger haptic feedback while using the activator events iOS 13 and above. This tree is called App Switcher Controller. Control your app switcher. So for iOS 12 and above, see all these features right here. This tree is called Dock Controller. Control your dock for iOS 13 and above. This tree is called Dragon Ultimate WhatsApp Tweak with added support for WhatsApp Business. You can access the tweak settings in the WhatsApp settings page. So you have user features, status features, other features. This is called Shark, the ultimate Facebook Messenger tweak, with added support for Messenger Lite, first and only tweak to add additional security to the app. You can access the tweak settings in the Messenger's settings page. So you can disable marking messages, disable marking stories, disable typing status, save story images and videos. This is called Location Handle X, compatible with iOS 10 to 14. It's made for location-based games like Pokemon Go. Play location-based games and use Location Handle X. So you can basically move around, change your app, GPS location, and also move around while you're inside the app. So it's perfect for Pokemon Go because you can move around. You have that toggle right here, so you can move while you're in the app and without actually moving in real life. This week is called Route Faker X. Can simulate routes which you set, so basically changes your location, but this is more made for like switching routes. So I guess if someone stalks your location, like your parent or something, or your friend, and you just basically fake it and be like, oh, I'm on my way to whatever place, you know you're really not, so pretty cool. Next is called Location Faker X. You can change your location any app, so you know, pretty cool. This is just like change your location, so I don't know, there's 3 of them. I wish, you know, that it would make sense if there's only one of them, but there's 3. This one's just basically change the location. The route one's for routes, and location handle is change the location, but it's also more made for like Pokemon Go apps, where you can change the location while you're in the app with the that toggle. You can move left, right, up, down, north, south, west, and east. The next week is called Epsilon, compatible with iOS 10 to 14. Does not support Game Center. For Game Center, you would need to install a tweak called Slices 3, and you have to downgrade that since the latest version of that does not work. But basically, this is provides app multi-run feature, which basically means you can log into your apps, for multiple accounts for your different apps and games. So you get like different apps and game, and for your apps and games, get different accounts for them. So different progresses, pretty cool. So just one example would be having 2 Snapchat accounts. You can have 2 different Snapchats. You just choose which one you want to go into, and you can have 4 different Snapchat accounts on one device. So instead of you have to keep sign in, automatically when you go to Snapchat or whatever app, you're automatically in that device. Like you're already in that account, I mean. So it was updated to support iOS 14, and it was also optimization support for 12.4.1. But it does support iOS 14. This week it's called Anti-Tracker. Alerts you when tracked by others in real time. So when someone tries to alert you from find friends or whatever, it's going to come up being like, hey, someone is trying to alert you. So you can basically tell when your mom or friends are trying to track your location. This week is called Settings Buttons. Buttons for Settings Navbar. So that's what it looks like. As usual, buttons to the navigation bar in the Settings app, compatible with iOS 13 and iOS 14, gives you a useful way of toggling dark mode, safe mode, or respring straight from your settings with a very clean look. The next week is called Fly Twitter Alert Animation. Let's fly your Twitter notifications. This week is called Genesis. Basically, this tweak, version 2.2. The evolution of something beautiful. So supports all devices run iOS 13.0, 13.7. The tweak that aims to allow users to customize the things Apple doesn't normally allow, but for people who are tired of waiting for Apple to give us a redesign. But yeah, this is actually the right one. Genesis 2. So This one's compatible with iOS 13 and 14 as a large variety of ways to customize your device while also enhancing the jailbroken experience. It's made for people who, like I said, are tired of waiting and they want the true freedom of their device. The next tweak is called Translate-O-Matic, and this is a pretty cool tweak because with this one you can quickly translate your text. So if you're talking to someone who doesn't speak the same language as you, you want to have a good going back and forth conversation instead of the hassle of keep going to Google Translate and keep having to translate every text, which gets really annoying and yeah, just really inconvenient. This tweak is the tweak for you. It makes it easy for you to translate the text. So also does support iOS 14. Next tweak is called SM0ver. Send text from your browser, so pretty cool. You could be on your computer or whatever, and just from your browser you could be sending people text messages, receiving text messages. Pretty dope. Next tweak is called lib-SM0ver, and support tweak for the SM0ver app require to send text. So you just need this to install SM0ver. This tweak is called Let Me Know, powered with iOS 11 and 13. The tweak will let you know exactly when the call connects or disconnects so that you don't have to keep holding. So I think that's really cool. So the whole purpose is that if you're actually on a hold time with the company or whatever for 5, 10, 20, whatever minutes, it tells you when they answer. So instead you have to be, having to listen to that dumb music and whatever, it'll give you some kind of alert or whatever. Let's see. Vibrates. Gives you a notification. So yeah, your vibrator gives some kind of notification when they answer the phone. Last but not least, we have a tweak called Music Transport. And okay, and with this tweak, transmits music or sound effects over a call. So it's really cool. So let's say you want to pretend that you're at the mall or at a party, you can just basically have that fake people talking or whatever in the background to make it sound like you're somewhere that you're not. So you can easily, many uses. I think you guys know. You can trick your parents, your family, your friends, whatever. Anybody, be like, oh, you're not here. You're like, yeah, I am. And then have that then talk in the background. You'd be like, oh, maybe you are there, but really you're not there. So I think it's a really cool tweak. Hopefully we get an update because the last update was from iOS 10. Let's see. It seems to be working on iOS 12. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, let's see about iOS 13. But iOS 11. Let's see. You only have 12. So yeah, I'm not sure. It works in 12, 11 semi, and 10 probably. But I'm not sure about 13. iOS 13 and 14 this works on. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.